Have you ever pondered the question, how can the United Kingdom boost its long-term economic growth prospects? Well, it turns out the solution might be hiding in plain sight: investment. But not just any investment. We're talking about a strategic investment that could reinvigorate the UK's economy from the ground up. Our journey begins with the country's retirement savings. Chancellor Jeremy Hunt has hinted at plans to funnel more retirement savings into startup companies and infrastructure. The idea is to leverage these funds for potentially higher returns from riskier asset classes, a strategy that might seem counterintuitive at first glance. Yet, when we look abroad, we see that the UK's pension industry is more risk-averse than its counterparts in Australia and Canada. The Tony Blair Institute, a think tank established by the former Prime Minister, highlighted that about 60% of pension assets are invested in bonds, a stark contrast to the mere 15% in 2015. The Association of British Insurers has also pitched in, calling for greater government co-investment to help de-risk illiquid assets. The aim is to promote voluntary schemes that would offset the need for a compulsory requirement to back certain sectors of the economy. Furthermore, the government has plans to invest up to £250 million alongside defined contribution schemes in promising science and tech companies. If successful, similar initiatives could be rolled out to other sectors of the economy, but the challenge lies in persuading pension funds to participate. After all, their primary duty is to serve pensioners and savers, which means preserving capital, not chasing risky returns. In conclusion, the UK's quest to boost its long-term economic growth prospects requires a fine balance between risk and reward. The key lies in strategic investment, but the challenge is to ensure that the interests of retirement savers remain at the heart of any overhaul. The path forward may not be easy, but with careful planning and execution, the UK could set a new standard for economic growth and stability.